My name is Greg Haas. I have the nickname Barney, which I gained that about 32 years ago. I'm in operations and I'm also a salesman. I started out operations manager, also in sales. Lately, these days, I've been a lot more in sales than I used to be. Enjoying that very much, the interaction with customers, also, building relationships, which mean a lot with West Roofing. I'm one of them guys that everybody gets along with. I do like the relationships that we have here. I've grown up with a lot of the individuals that work here for many, many years, so it's more like a family. We've been through a lot together, not only on a personal basis, but, overall. We've all grew up together, we've all had our ups and downs, and, it's like I say, there's always people here that you can turn to no matter what. We have a cabin down south that we all go to around hunting season, so, Brian and Chris and I and, a couple other fellas from here at West Roofing go down there and hunt for a couple days, during hunting season. That's pretty enjoyable. Finally get away from work and, quality time together, but, too busy trying to hunt with the short period of time that we have. So it seems like I spend more time with these guys than I do my own family. My wife, Barb, we've been married 19 years, a very wonderful woman. She's put up with me for quite a few years being a roofer. She deserves a medal for that, actually. We have 4 great children. 3 of them live close by, 1 lives out of state. I have 9 grandchildren. 2 of them are graduating actually this year. 1 is actually going to a college in Florida for a doctorate, which we're very excited about. It keeps my life busy with 9 grandchildren, the youngest being about 6. So, I have a wide range in, ages, so it's different. I like the great outdoors. I do a lot of hunting, fishing. We have a campsite which we use quite often on the weekends. Grandkids come over, the kids come over. We have, spend quality time together outside, play games, just family things. Well, with all the experience I've had over the years, I've had my hands in pretty much everything that West Roofing has done over the years with applications, projects, you name it. And a lot of that does help me out there when I'm on a sales call or a customer situation, that I could really look at this project and say, hey, I have done that before. I've come across that situation. It comes down to details. It comes down to, hey, I've had other roofers here, they can't figure it out. I mean, that's where I step in and say, hey, I've been here, I've done it. I've had 32 years of experience in roofing. I'll do what I can. And also I have a backing behind me, which I have a lot of experience in this company that I can rely on at any given moment. So that helps it too, because sometimes you don't always have the answer, on these projects. And just having the knowledge is, you think you have it all, but it's not all there sometimes. You always come across that one situation that's like, what do I do with it? And it's nice to have the backing that we have here and the knowledge and the experience to help any situation out there. And that helps when you go out there and look at these projects. And the more challenging a project is, the more I like it, Also, to help the customer with a end result that, West Roofing can give a customer. And a lot of companies, we have such a diversified opportunities out there with, products and, situations that we can eliminate that a lot of companies can't do. And that makes West Roofing, a little bit better than everybody else.